In 1789, Lavoisier proposed the theory of 33 elements. According to element theory, conservation of mass, law of constant composition. In 1808, Dalton proposed atomic theory. The atom is very small, about 0.1 nanometer. The radius of the atom, the mass, and the amount of electricity have been measured until 1909 oil job experiment. Dalton's atomic mass is the relative mass based on the mass of hydrogen. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Dalton calculated carbon is 6 and oxygen is 8. Now we know that Dalton's data is wrong. Carbon is 12. Oxygen is 16. Dalton doesn't take into account the elemental relationship in the compound. Atomic mass is very useful, gives chemists a direction. Numerous chemists have measured the proportional relationship of compounds, valence, and atomic mass. With the gradual discovery of new elements, the precision of purification has been continuously improved, and the atomic mass has become more and more accurate. Finally, in 1869, Mendeleev published the periodic table of elements. Initially, atomic mass was not accurate, mainly because element was very difficult to purify. At that time, the main purification method was tri-state separation, such as distilled water, hydrogen generation. But others, like copper, iron, lots of impurities inside by redox reaction. Then the electrochemistry emerged, and the purity of the element obtained by electrolysis is very high, and accordingly, the accuracy of the atomic mass becomes very high. Begin from Lavoisier, 33 elements. Many chemists research and publish element classification. In 1829, John de Bellena observed law of Charles Leopold Gamow, uses it, and finds many elements of the same family, especially like alkali metals and halogens, which are chemically similar. In 1864, Julius Lothar Meyer released a table of elements arranged in valence. In 1865, John Newlands arranged elements based on the atomic mass and found that elements with similar physical and chemical properties were repeated every 8 elements. Finally, in 1869, Mendeleev and Julius Lothar Meyer independently published their periodic table of elements. 69 elements were discovered at that time.